Hey guys, what is up? Red Pen Mining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and have a really great day. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about PCIe risers, and mainly these are going to be used for your graphics card for specifically mining. And I just wanted to go throughout this video just different iterations of risers that I've been through now this year, and a few of them actually I'm going to talk about in the past. So yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be interesting. I just want to go through all the different risers here that, just going to give you guys my experience and just talk about where to buy them if you guys are interested, and just talk about some new ones that I have just seen just recently, which I think are pretty cool. So before we begin, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of risers. Well, GP Risers is going to be giving away a pack of risers in USA or Canada, and then another pack in the UK. Okay guys, so gprisers.com and also gprisers.uk. And thank you to them, guys. All you guys got to do, comment down below if you're in USA or Canada or EU, and we're going to be giving away a pack of risers. And just comment anything positive that you guys can think of along with your USA, Canada, or EU. And actually, we're going to be giving away another pack of risers, which I will explain later, from beescryptomining.ca. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Let's talk about some old risers before we talk about the new ones that you guys can see here on the right. So these left ones here are the ones that I have used in previous years, like 2017, and specifically probably the legendary riser that a lot of people know is the 006C riser. And this is a legendary riser which I think a lot of people still use to this day. And these are great, to be honest. I think these are like tried and true, tested with a lot of like big mining farms out there that use these risers, and yeah, still use them to this day. I don't specifically use these right anymore because I mean, you guys know GP risers, which I'll show you guys their risers in a sec. And then there's different iterations here that these two right here, I believe these are 103C versions. Notoriously back in like, I think the end of 2017, beginning of 2018, and then maybe a little bit in 2019, these two risers here were the ones that I used a lot and bought off Amazon. I've had a lot of them fail, but ultimately they were pretty cheap on Amazon compared to, you know, what risers cost today. I'm sure a lot of you guys who have been with me, you know, for the past couple years have seen these risers a lot. So yeah, ultimately, yeah, these were pretty good, but I had a lot of failures, I think, with the red ones here. I actually had less failures with the 006Cs. I don't know if you guys had the same experience. Let me know down below. Okay guys, going along, let's talk about some pretty cool risers here. So there's one here from AAAwave.com. Now this one has red PCB, and I think this one came out, yeah, definitely this one came out this year. And it's got the gold-plated USB, it's got Molex, and it's got two PCIe. If you wanted to use PCIe on the side here. I think a lot of them these days do have that, which mainly that's for if your cable length is maybe, you know, if you had your GPU on top and then the PCIe is on the GPU and then you had like a daisy chain, you can easily route that to this PCIe right here, which helps a lot. But I think for most people, including myself, I like plugging into the back PCIe power here, which ultimately, yeah, it doesn't matter which one. It just depends on your cable management and how OCD you are. But yeah, the AAA Wave one, I don't quite like the red PCB, even though it looks like, you know, it would fit my colors, but it's not quite the red that I like. And but yeah, I think it's a solid riser if anyone's looking for risers on their website. Okay, so AAAwave.com. Okay guys, next up. Now this is an interesting one. I think you guys have been probably wondering since the beginning. There is a thermometer, like temperature reader, on the riser itself. Now this is from beescryptomining.ca, and this is pretty cool. I've never seen this, and they just sent me a pack of 6 this recently, so I'm gonna be trying those out on a rig sometime soon. But yeah, you can see here there's Fahrenheit and then there's Celsius. Okay, what this does is the temperature reading around the general area of the riser. So the sensor is right there, if you guys can see, and that is what's reading the temperature. So if I put my finger on it, you can see in Fahrenheit, it's going up. 82 Fahrenheit, 83, my finger is getting pretty hot. So yeah, that's I think that's pretty cool. That helps with understanding what the temperature is around your GPU when it's mining. I think that's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in this, beescryptomining.ca, okay, I'll have a link down below of everyone I'm talking about. Okay, going along, this one, oh yeah, this one's also from beescryptomining.ca. Now I believe this is more, this one's, I guess this one has the 8 capacitors versus the 4. So what I've heard is that the 8 capacitors is a lot more efficient, maybe a lot more reliable as well. Now I'm guessing this metal part here is mainly for keeping the PCIe, the slot itself, to be stronger, and so it's not bending or something if you have a larger GPU. But I mean, honestly, if you're having it mounted on like a mining frame, it's probably fine. But one issue that I've thought of, and I don't know if it's an issue or not, and it's also on this riser as well, like this metal here, that, you know, since the power delivery through the plastic PCIe slot itself, you know, the power goes through there, if it could potentially, you know, like arc itself or static or create static or something with the metal piece being so close to the PCIe slot. So that's something I've wondered. I don't think it's a problem, a big problem, but you guys can let me know if that's an issue, or if any of you guys have had an issue with risers with metal pieces on them. Yeah, I'm sure it's fine though. So yeah, anyways, Bees Crypto Mining, this is cool. I love this riser, and I really like this one with the temperature reader. Oh yeah, so we're gonna be doing a 6-pack giveaway in Canada for 6 of these on behalf of beescryptomining.ca. So Bees Crypto Mining, thank you guys so much. For those that want to participate for this, you just have to be in Canada, and I will choose a winner for winning 6-pack of these, and I will comment on your comment in this video, and you guys just have to reply back to me to my email. I'll let you know once I comment on your comments. So good luck to those who win this 6-pack. And now let's talk about the next risers, guys. GPUrisers.com. I mean, they do not need an introduction. I've talked about GPU risers a lot, and you guys know them. We have done many giveaways of GPUrisers.com risers, and yeah, we're gonna be giving away 2 packs today, one in North America and one in the UK. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing the 8 capacitor one. All right, this is their latest revision one, which I think it's probably one of the best out there in the market. I have had 0 issues with these, and also their older revision ones here. I have just a bunch of these, and I have not had one fail yet. You guys know, I have a lot of graphics cards in my basement here running on all GPUrisers.com risers. They have been working all year, and I have not had one fail yet, knock on wood. So yeah, they've been really good. The GPU risers have been really good. So thank you, GPUrisers.com, for the packs to give away today for lucky winner in North America and in the EU. GPUrisers.uk, thank you guys so much. But talking about their risers, guys, I believe they were one of the first manufacturers or first companies to have the 8 capacitors on the riser that I saw in the market this year. And they also have the PCIe Molex gold-plated USB, and they got the butterfly clip on the PCIe slot itself, so that's pretty cool. And their new revision riser has the LED in the back here, which I think is really cool. Compared to their older revision, it didn't have the LED. And this one, yeah, it has the 2 red and blue 2 indicators to show that it's online. And yeah, this riser is tried and true, nice and stable with the 8 capacitors. The 8 capacitors just makes it so that it's a lot more reliable, a lot more stable, I guess, compared to having 4 capacitors. Honestly, I haven't had any issues with these ones, so I think with the 8 capacitor ones, they're probably going to be just you know, a tad better than what their old version is. Okay, so gprisers.com. Thank you guys so much. They're really nice risers. Okay, going along, guys. Now, I have a riser right here, which I believe this is one that I bought off Alibaba, or yeah, I bought off Alibaba. I would say this was last year, maybe the end of 2020, and this looks very similar to the GP Risers revision one here, but I guess the big difference is here it doesn't have the butterfly clip, and this one also is black PCB versus the white PCB, but ultimately I think this riser looks generally the same as their GP Risers old revision one. So come to think of it, I think I've only had like 1 or 2 fail out of like, I think I bought like 100 of these, and yeah, I'm actually I have a whole bunch of them in a box that I didn't end up using, so I'm probably gonna do a giveaway later in another video. I'm gonna have another riser video where I'm gonna lay out like all the risers, because I have so many old ones that I am not using anymore. I have some of these that I think I'm just gonna like give away everything, so yeah, stay tuned for that video. Okay, now last riser I want to talk about, and I think it's very unique and it's very new. This is from nerdgears.com. nerdgears.com has this latest revision riser, and what's unique about it is that it's got a like this light bar thing. It's like a party on the riser. You know what, I want to turn this off, and okay, so I'm gonna turn it on again, and it's pretty cool. It's really cool. I love it how it turns on like that. So you guys know most of the other risers have the LED indicators here and here, and you know, AAA Wave has it as well. So they looks like they replaced this red one LED here with this this light bar indicator. I think that's pretty cool. And then this one also has the metal bracing on the PCIe slot as well, butterfly clip, gold USB, pretty standard amongst all the other risers here, pretty much the same. But yeah, nerdgears.com, thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested, I have a link down below. They definitely have some stuff coming in that I've seen recently. So, alright guys, so that's just my little overview of these risers. Now, I think some of you guys may be wondering, like, Red Panda, which is the best riser this year? And to be honest, I can't give you guys that answer, because honestly, I think the quality control of these risers this year have been pretty awesome. Like, I haven't had many of these fail at all. And yeah, well, again, I haven't had like hundreds of these Nerdgear ones. I haven't had hundreds of these, you know, Bees Crypto Mining, so I can't say if these ones are better than the GPU Risers ones. But honestly, the GPU Risers ones, I have hundreds of these, and I've used many risers from gprisers.com, and I haven't had any break yet. So these have been really solid, and so I'm just gonna assume that, you know, all these other companies, I'm like, these are all made in China. They're probably all made in the same place anyway, so quality control, I'm sure, is pretty decent. But anyways, guys, I think that's it for this video. Don't forget the giveaways from gprisers.com and gprisers.uk, and also beescryptomining.ca. That's for Canada only. You guys will have a chance to win one of these 6-pack risers of the latest temperature reading thing here. That is really unique. I actually really like that. I think maybe some other manufacturers, you guys can get them on them as well. I mean, it's probably pretty tight, but hey, I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Awesome stuff. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which risers you guys like. I'll have links down below of all the ones I talked about if you guys are interested. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, actually don't forget about gprisers.com and gprisers.uk. Use offer code RedPandaMining for 10% off if you guys are interested. Okay, I appreciate you all. Good luck on the giveaways. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, and peace out.